Hey folks, Pickup Man 66 here from Reef to Reef. Just wanted to show you guys a quick overview of my Archon, show you what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's been a while since I've done a video. We moved and our internet connection at home is quite slow, so you'll have to bear with me here on this particular video. If the Archon is lagging, it's actually because I'm on a 2 megabit connection at home and it's quite slow. But we'll show you real quick what we're doing. This is my home screen. As you can see, this is what I'm monitoring right now. I do have some differences between my SL2 temperature and my Archon temperature, mainly because I haven't calibrated it and I need to replace the probe on my SL2. But anyways, we'll show you a couple quick things with the Archon right now. To change settings on this screen, just click the gear, take a checkbox. If you want to add something in or take something out, hit the checkbox and hit update, and that will update what we see on this main home screen. We'll go to the input section, or sorry, the output section here, to show you exactly what I'm looking at right now. Alright, sorry about that. We're just trying to deal with that slow internet connection. So here's what we've got. I'm doing some testing right now. Used to have a Lumentech Pro 240 that I hacked up and was controlling with the Archon analog and PWM ports. That's actually gone now. I have a Radeon. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually controlling my DC 6000 from Jibo return pump. Doing two different functions. The first function I'm doing is a ramp, where the unit is actually going to go at a maximum of 70% for 30 minutes with a minimum of 50% for 11 hours after that, trying to do some tidal flow simulations. The cool thing about the Jibo pump is the soft start is still active. So that's what we're doing here. This kind of just gives me some tidal flow aspects of it. What I'm running on right now, because I'm testing the other one, is the advanced wave maker function, where I have a max of 60 and a minimum of 40, and it oscillates every 30 minutes on this pulse time. So every 30 minutes we're going through a cycle to kind of bring the pump up and down to simulate some more random flows. One cool thing about the pump is I do have a major temperature alarm, which will shut this pump down if for some reason the temperature in the tank gets too high. For instance, my heater malfunctioned or something like that. Going down through, I do have the auto top off function set up. Here's my programming on that. So you can see I'm using the switch A on my SL2, and it is off when the switch is open. So that's auto top off programming. Here is my current heater programming, and I'm using the iTemp for the heat sensing. 77.5 degrees set point with a 0.5 hysteresis. This gives me a good cycle on the stainless steel heater that I've got. Everything else is pretty well just basic off-on information. So the last thing I want to show you guys is the setup tab. This is a major change from the way things have been done initially on the initial setup of an Archon. Now when you open your Archon and plug it in, you go to the Archon SSID and then go to the setup tab once you log in, and it gives you this information. This allows you to click the show information on the wireless setup button, click the SSID and choose the Wi-Fi network you want to hop on. For instance, if you wanted to change a different one, and input the encryption, put your key in and hit update, and this will actually connect your Archon to your wireless network. You don't have to go to yours. You can leave the Archon standalone if you want. It'll work without Wi-Fi. Once you connect, if you have put an email address in here and hit update, it will actually send an email directly to you showing you the Archon IP address, so you can then navigate to it. So great setup page. You can also change the login and password here. You can turn on or off additional companies. For instance, right now we have Ecotech in here. And then of course this allows you to change the Archon SSID if for some reason you choose to. I could change this to my tank name if I wanted to. Pickup Man's Reef. Something like that. So that's what we've got going on with the Archon for now. I will be back with another video shortly showing you some of the changes in the system page. Thank you for watching.